base roadway going across there on the bottom. Next here, you're gonna have to move up a little bit, so you can see I can orient my bridge around. I can see different things, what I got going on here. I'll get a home view kind of like that here. So this midpoint and support beam view. And you can change your view here, but like again, I'm gonna keep more of a flat view going on right now. And I'm gonna get rid of these lines, delete these if I can, those guidelines. Cool. And simply here, I'm just gonna try and just command paste here. So I'm gonna paste another beam. And then I'm gonna simply try and click the center point of this beam. If I can zoom in here. I guess that will work. And I'm just gonna move it up. And you can see what I'm doing here. Moving it up in the world. And I'm gonna move it up right here to this corner. So I'm gonna main support structure right there. That looks fine. And then I'm gonna paste another one. And you can see what's happening here. So I'll paste this over here and zoom back in. And I'm gonna move this up to the top here. So I'm just repeating those beams going across there and put one there. I'm gonna put one more over here and we'll see how my bridge succeeds here. But just to keep this a little bit simpler in here, and I need to have a base roadway. So zoom in and I'll put it right there. That looks excellent. So, and I might want to fix this one here, move this over to that center point if I can. So we'll just click this and center point and right there. That looks good. And ultimately when I cut my bridge here, I can shave off these edges right here with like an X-Acto knife if I want to. And move these, I'm gonna move that around to a bit like right. We're gonna lock that right to this corner. So M for move and zoom in, lock it to that corner. And let's double check this one. That looks good right there. Sweet, so that's my main supports going across the bridge. And then I make sure I save it. And then if you have not, I'm gonna copy paste this here and I'll bring this back over and then I'm gonna move it. So M for move and lock it in right there. Okay, check it out. Now, if I select my tool and escape out of there, now I have my finished bridge. Okay, if you want to put a few more supports across here, but I do want you to try and keep the open middle of the bridge open. Okay, we're going to be using downward force on the bridge, so we're mainly testing the sides of our bridge here. But just to get the main open, the center of our bridge open for our block to go in. And if you're going to have a support structure on the bottom too, you'll need to build more supports there. But the roadway should be wide open. And that looks pretty sweet, doesn't it? Cool. All right, make sure you save it and you have it done. You want to check this out, Meg?